Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be fixing the blank pages that you want to delete in your Microsoft Word document. So if you're struggling on how you can delete these blank pages, so just follow the few simple steps that I'm going to show you in this video. And please do make sure that you finish watching this video till the very end. So the very first thing we need to do is to go and open your Word document. So let me just open my document here, and I have this 4-page document. As you can see in this bottom left section here. So all we need to do to delete this second blank page is just to click on this cursor here, hover your cursor into this section, and then click on this backspace key in your keyboard, and then you will be deleting now the second page, the second blank page. And as you can see, my 4-page document has now become 3-page document. Once you're done with this one, you can also try to uh, do the second way, which is to go to the home tab here. You will get this home tab at the very top section in the screen, and then go to this paragraph or find the paragraph symbol. And once you have found it, just please click on that. And then as you can see, each of the page now has this symbol. And once you will highlight it, and then once you click on this delete button, so the whole page or the blank page will be deleted, and my document is now 2 pages. So once you do that, all you need to do is once you're done doing that, all you need to do is just to click on this paragraph symbol again to hide the paragraph. And then another thing you can do is just to go to this view tab here, still at the very top. And then once you click on that, you will get this navigation pane option. So if you check this navigation pane, you will get this navigation pane here at the left pane, and then just click on this pages tab here. Once you click on that, select the document or select the page of the document that you want to be deleted, and then click on the delete button there or the backspace button, and then it will be deleted. And as you can see, my document is now only a page or 1 page only. And that's it. That's how you delete all the blank pages in your Microsoft Word document. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.